Through the mountains! Hey there, people of the internet. I'm finally taking some much needed time off work and headed up to my dad's house in the mountains of Pickens, South Carolina, and I'm at a rest stop right now, so sorry about all the highway noise. I've been thinking a lot about places lately. I'm at a point in my life where I could go pretty much anywhere. The kinds of jobs that I am currently qualified for with my bachelor's degree are the kinds of jobs that you can get in every place. If I want to go to grad school, I could go to grad school wherever. But then, like, when it comes to imagining myself in these places, it's weird. It's like, I live in Charleston now, and I know its ins and outs, I know the people, it's my current place, and I'm from Greenville, so I remember it fondly. It's my hometown, it's where I grew up, it's where I was a teenager, you know, I love it. But every town is somebody's hometown, and that just kind of blows my mind. And like, every place has people living in it, just living out their lives, just being people. There are people just like me with consciousnesses living in places, and they have hometowns and families and things that they do on the weekends, and they have favorite coffee shops, and like, I could go to any of these places and become friends with any of these people, and they could become part of my lives. Like, any place could become a part of my life. And clearly I'm having some sort of existential crisis here. I especially kind of think about this with Brierley Bishop. Y'all know Brierley, right? Brierley and I grew up in towns 2 hours away from each other. We went to universities in 2 different towns, also 2 hours away from each other. We studied abroad in the UK at the same time at universities like about 3 hours away from each other, and we've never met. I don't know her except like through YouTube, and I only know who she is because she's dating Charlie McDonald. And like, that's sad. That sucks. That like, she's just this person who, like, her life is so parallel to mine, and I don't know her, and I think that I would love to be friends with her, you know? She's great. I don't know where I'm going with this. Life could go anywhere. It's just kind of weird. I think that's really the weirdest for me, is how much time I've spent like, wanting to get out of Charleston, out of South Carolina, but I'm starting to get really comfortable here, and I'm kind of happy here now. Like, I like living only 4 hours away from my dad. I can just take a few days off work and go see him if I want. I'm about 6 hours away from my mom in Florida, and like, this is where I'm from. But I don't know, I mean, maybe it's time for somewhere new. Thanks for listening, internet. I've gotta keep driving. There's a guy sitting in the parking lot over there watching me vlog, I think.